Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to remove pen tool lines in Photoshop shortcut key. Okay. Select pen tool for P and see this line. Remove this line. Hold Alt, click for remove. Another way to remove. Now see this show minus icon. Click for remove. Okay. Show minus icon. Click for remove. Another way to remove lines. Okay, so this line, hold Alt minus selection, hold Control and move selection. Another way to remove this. Now see this line tool, right click on your mouse for lines layer, convert to smart object. Again right click on your mouse, rasterize layer, then right click on your mouse, see this space opacity 100% and see this remove. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.